So you can use your computer or your smart TV and then signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by clicking on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And then you want to go to settings. And then right here on the settings, on the membership, at the base plan, you want to make sure you are having this manage option instead add option. And after that, you can go back to the home page by clicking right here on TV. And then you can go to the search bar right here at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for Fox Sport. Right here on the Fox Sports network, you want to click on it. And there you go. You can just now watch any series, movies, or motorsport from Fox Sports. Or if you want to watch the upcoming live session by Fox Sports, you can just record it by clicking on any upcoming live session and then click on these three dots and then just click on Add to Library. This way, YouTube TV will record the upcoming live session for you. So you don't have to stand by all day on your TV. And there you go. Now you can watch Fox Sports using your smart TV. And then if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Fox Sports on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.